Happy Vlogmas, you guys. So today's video, I am going to be showing you 3 holiday drinks that you can make in your house for this holiday season. Honestly, you should be drinking one of these 3 drinks or all 3 for Christmas. So we're going to start off with one of my favorites, and it is Douce and apple cider. So this drink tastes really good, either cold or warm. So you can either warm the Douce or you can just put some ice in a cup. So this drink requires 2 shots of Douce and 1 cup of apple cider. And then you're just going to give it a really good mix. Like I said, this is definitely one of my favorite drinks. I drink this drink like even after the holidays because it's so good. You basically can't taste the liquor. And that's what I love about it. I don't like to really taste my liquor in my drink. So this drink is like perfect. So you can just garnish it with some apples. That's what I do. Give it a nice mix and you serve it. Bam. Told you guys, this drink is easy to make. Christmas should be no reason why you can't make it. Get you some apple cider and some Douce and some sliced apples, and you're good to go. The second drink that I will be making is what am I gonna call this? A Christmas margarita. So what I'm doing right now, I have 1 cup of boiled water, and I'm gonna add in 2 1/4 cups of cranberries, and I'm also gonna add in 1 cup of sugar. And I'm just gonna let this basically boil for almost I would say about 10 minutes, or until it looks like the cranberries, are not like as hard anymore. They're like really soft. Something like this. Once they look like they have been boiling for about 10 minutes, this is what you're doing. So basically what we're making right now is cranberry puree. So I'm putting you guys on to game because now you don't have to go buy puree in the supermarket or the liquor store anymore. You can make this stuff on your stove. So thank me later, and thank me by liking this video and leaving me a comment. So what you want to do is actually strain the cranberry now, so you can get all like the puree at the bottom, all the liquid, because you don't want these like cranberries in your drink. So just strain it, get everything out of it. Once you do that, let it cool off. Once it cools off, then you can make your margarita. So let's get into this margarita, because honestly, this is like my favorite drink too. Honestly, these are all my favorite drinks, so pay me no mind. So while it's cooling off, you're going to now get about 2 limes, slice them in half, and basically that should give you about 1 shot of lime juice, because that's what you need for the margarita. If you don't have limes, you can use if you don't have fresh limes, you can just use lime juice, but I recommend you using limes. Trust me, it's just gonna taste better. So basically, you're gonna get you a little shaker like this. Got it off Amazon. If you see my other video that I made margaritas in, I think the link is there. But you're gonna place 2 shots of tequila, and you're going to put 1 shot of lime juice, and you're also gonna do 1 shot of the cranberry puree. So 2 shots of tequila, 1 shot of lime juice, 1 shot of the cranberry puree. And once you have that all inside, you're going to give it a really good shake, just to get everything mixed up really well. So now you're going to get your glass and some sugar, and you're going to place the lime around your glass, and then you're going to dip it into the bowl of sugar. Now, I'm a sugar margarita person. I don't like salt on my margarita like that. So, you people with the salt on your margaritas, y'all stay over here because I am team sugar. But yeah, you're basically going to just put it on the rim. You're then going to add some ice into your cup, and then you're going to put some cranberries in it, some fresh ones. Garnish it with some cranberries. I feel like the cranberries just makes this drink you know, it just gives the drink the uff. So I really do like the cranberries on the drink. It just makes it feel it makes it feel like Christmas. So like a Christmas drink. And then you're just going to pour your drink inside the cup. And this is how your Christmas margarita drink looks. It's really, really simple. It tastes delicious. And it's really easy to make. So this is the third drink. And if you are looking for something refreshing, light, this is the holiday drink for you. And this is just another simple one. So you're going to take your Bacardi white rum, and you're basically going to put 2 shots into a cup with ice. And then you're going to do a cup of the pink cranberry Ocean Springs juice. Now, if you haven't had this juice, you're missing out, because this is some really good juice. Ocean Spring knew what they were doing with this juice. So even if you don't want to make a drink, I just recommend you guys to get this juice. Thank me later. But once you put the 2 shots in a cup of the Ocean Spring cranberry, mix it up, and then you can garnish this drink with cranberries too. I just feel like the cranberries, once again, just, you know, makes the drink look cute. So garnish it with cranberries, and this drink is basically done. Stir it up one more time, and there you go. Another simple drink. So I just gave you guys 3 simple drinks you can make for the holidays. You can make for Christmas. You can drink it for New Year's if you have guests over, you know, whatever you're doing. These are simple drinks where you can just go get the ingredients at your supermarket, in your liquor store, and bam. So thanks for watching, you guys. I think I'm gonna drop a coquito video either the next day or the day after, so I'll show you guys how to make that. But I definitely wanted to put this a part of my Vlogmas videos. So thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you guys next time.